Hello and welcome to Daily Positive Healing. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seat in a quiet and peaceful space. As you settle in, sit with your back straight, your shoulders relaxed, and your hands resting gently on your lap or your knees. Take a deep, nourishing breath in and a long, releasing exhale out. With each breath, allow yourself to relax and let go of any tension you're holding in your body. Now gently bring to mind our affirmation for today. I am in the right place at the right time, doing the right thing. Don't just hear the words. Allow them to sink in. Feel the truth of this statement in your body and in your mind.
Now bring your full attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air moving in and out of your nostrils. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest and abdomen. Just observe your breath without trying to change it. As you breathe in, silently say to yourself, I am in the right place. And as you breathe out, silently say, at the right time. Repeat this with me now. Breathe in, I am in the right place. Breathe out, at the right time. Let the words resonate within you.
Now, bring your awareness to the present moment. Notice the sounds around you, the sensations in your body. As you breathe in, affirm, I am doing the right thing. And as you breathe out, allow any lingering doubts or worries to dissolve away. If any other thoughts arise, acknowledge them gently and let them go like clouds drifting by. Imagine yourself surrounded by a warm, supportive light, guiding you perfectly toward your purpose. Know, deep in your soul, that you are exactly where you need to be. Take a few more deep breaths and allow gratitude to fill you. Gratitude for this moment, for your life, and for the opportunity to be here right now. As we gently begin to transition out of our meditation, take a moment to set a soft intention for the rest of your day. How will you carry this feeling of peace and clarity with you? When you're ready, take one more deep, energizing breath in, and as you slowly exhale, gently open your eyes. Carry this calm, knowing that you are exactly where you need to be. If this practice brought you peace, please support our community by subscribing to Daily Positive Healing and ringing the bell for notifications. Your journey inspires ours. Thank you for healing with us today.